So this is the month of February Take and Make for the for children for the branch, and in your packet you will have 4 of these. You'll have a frame and you'll have this little white strip, and then also included will be a magnet, but it won't be inside the packet, so make sure you look for it in your bag. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to punch everything out. So the frame, you're just going to punch the middle part out and put it to the side. Then there'll be 4 different strips here, and I've already punched these out, but I'll just show you. All you do is just take your thumb and do a little push. Pushes them right out. Okay, so we're gonna take those out, and now comes the fun part where you get to decorate your frame any way you want. You don't have to use all of the hearts. You can use as many or as little as you want. You just peel the backing off just like a sticker, and you're just going to stick it on the frame. I'm going to use that one. Okay, and you're just going to stick it right on there. Okay. And now I think I'm going to put some down here. You can put them all around. You can bunch them like I did, however you want to do it. It's your frame. Okay, so just peel that backing off. And if they start to come apart at all you have to do is get some Elmer's glue and glue them back on. It works just as good. Okay, so there's the front of my frame. So now we've flipped our frame over, and we've got this little white strip here, and I've peeled both pieces of paper off of it. So we're gonna stick that down here like that. Real sticky. And then the magnet, you want to make sure that the magnet has lines in it, okay? The side that has the lines is going to go down onto the sticky part. So only the smooth side should be up. So you just push that on there, and there you have it. And now you can take a picture, any picture you want, and put it on here, and then you can just use Scotch tape to tape your picture on it, and then you have your Valentine's picture frame. That's our craft for this month. We hope you like it and enjoy.